You have an Instagram account and it's popping, but have you utilized your Facebook account? Or better yet, have you even opened a Facebook business account?
No.
No? Here are 5 reasons why your business should be on Facebook. Reason number 1, brand loyalty or unity in the community. Now, building a Facebook community can help a small business create that sense of community and help build brand loyalty. Your Facebook business page allows current and future customers to provide feedback, give support, voice concerns, and give you instant one on one communication with you and your community. Posting engaging content or stories on your Facebook business page can help you gain new customers, but also build that loyal to the soil tribe, which equals brand loyalty. Reason number 2, Facebook analytics, or like I like to say, data is your boo. Now, when the word analytics is mentioned, it's almost like a cuss word. And analytics is not in my wheelhouse, but I do use the Facebook analytics tool. And for a small business, Facebook provides useful metrics on your Facebook business page. And some of that data, you can measure a lot of different things. Some of the things that you can measure are the time of day your customers are most active or engaged, what type of content you have posted, like your videos and posts. And as a side note, this also includes your Instagram posts. The results on how many people engage with you in your content, like your comments, likes, and shares. And if you have a website, Facebook Analytics will tell you the number of users that click through to your website or your social media. Lastly, when you post content, Facebook data will analyze that content and tell you which one was the most successful and which ones you might want to rethink for future posts. Reason number 3, Facebook ads. As small business owners, getting the word out about your product or service is your number 1 goal to help you grow your business and get to that. Show me the money! I know, the bag. Now, Facebook paid ads are a great way to do this. Yes, I said paid ads. You got to pay to play. But for as little as $1, you could create a targeted Facebook ad to help generate customer leads, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to your website. Facebook paid ads can help you open the door to new customers, promote that product or service, and build that community. Reason number 4, cross promote your content and schedule posts on Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. Now, as a small business, we're all busy building that empire. We use content to communicate to our followers about what's happening with our product or service. And sometimes we don't have enough time in the day to put up that post or video. Now, the Facebook business page has a cool feature called Creator Studio. Now, in this tool, not only can you upload all of your posts and videos to publish, but you can schedule posts, you can cross promote and post on Instagram or IGTV. Now, one cool feature is if you are an Instagram stories guru, and I know a lot of y'all are, and you use it frequently, you can link your Instagram stories to your Facebook stories. And you can get detailed analytics on how your post did. These are just a few of some of the cool features that you can do in the Creator Studio. Reason number 5, Facebook for business courses. Now, if you ain't learning, you ain't growing.
That's right.
Facebook offers resources to help you as a small business owner get the most out of your platform. These courses are free and offer information on how to take your business to the next level. Some of the courses offered are improving your creative strategy, how to sell your products online, and many other programs and certifications that you can take for free to help build you and your brand. I'll put the link down in the description so you can check out some of these cool courses. Now, I hope that this video has helped you make a decision to either start using your Facebook business page or create a Facebook business page. If you want more information on how-tos or getting to know or how to grow your Black-owned small business, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every week, I'll be posting videos that I hope will help you as a small business owner get to, well, what we're all working for, that bag, and evolving our brand. This is just me, Lisa B, and I'm the host of Side Hustle Saturday Hustle Talks, and I will talk to you soon.